Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a zombie. This is an already made prosthetics. I made this one myself. If you would love to see a tutorial on how I made it, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll film one for you. So I'm using the prosthetic adhesive to hold down these prosthetics. Like I said in my last tutorial, prosthetic holds latex or any other form of prosthetics, silicone. It holds this better and stronger. So you should go get yours from SFS Smart. So for the edges, I want a seamless edge, so I'm going in with my liquid latex to smoothen out the edge to prevent those harsh lines from, showing. So I'm going to protect my brows. I'm using a baby oil, so you can use a baby oil or a Vaseline just to cover your brows so that you don't rip out your brows while taking off your makeup. So for this is a cotton wool dipped in liquid latex. So we're trying to create the upper part of the prosthetics. This is a DIY tutorial and it is suitable for anyone, beginners, professionals, anyone can do this, and it's very affordable. So I'm going in with the liquid latex to smoothen out the edges of this prosthetic I just made. And yep, I had to make sure I was in frame. Yeah, being short-sighted sometimes sucks. So I had to make sure I was in frame. I couldn't see without my glasses. So now back to the tutorial. I'm using a paper towel to smoothen out these prosthetics. As you can see, the cotton wool has rough edges, and over here, we don't like rough works. Even though the skin of a zombie isn't smooth, but we try to make it as smooth as we can. So I'm using the paper towel over all the parts that I use the cotton wool just to make it more even and smooth. While doing this, be careful so that you don't ruin what you're already working on. Do it bit by bit, don't rush it. Go in with your liquid latex or your prosthetic, but for this one I used the liquid latex to apply this, and I use the liquid latex to also smoothen out the edges. So right now we're just trying to have a base of our painting before we go over it with the skin tone we want. So I went in with a dark brown foundation to cover everything. And remember, we're trying to create like a zombie with a dead skin. So we needed all the undertone we could get, green, red, and all of that. So we're trying to give our zombie a very crusty and nasty and dirty teeth. So I'm using a brown paint over the dentition. So we're going to define our teeth. I'm using a black paint to define the teeth and make it look more realistic. Just adding a little bit of blood to make it look more gory and creepy. So for this part, I decided to like make a hole and create a wound on the skin. So what I did was I just punctured a hole and added the red paint and black paint just to give an illusion of a wound and the zombie. Adding our lens. I couldn't use two lenses because I needed to see what I was filming. So I decided to put on one eye, and it's so easy. Make sure your hands are clean. And here's the final look, guys. I hope you liked it. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.